In this video, you'll learn how to generate viral AI videos using Higgsfield AI. This guide will walk you through each necessary step to create engaging content effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing www.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the Google page loads, you'll see the search bar prominently displayed in the center of the screen. Next, type how to generate viral AI videos with Higgsfield AI into the search bar. After entering the text, press enter on your keyboard. This action will initiate a search and you will be directed to a results page displaying various links related to your query. After the search results appear, look for a link titled How to Create Viral Videos in a Single Click. This link should be among the top results. Click on it to proceed to the Higgsfield AI website, where you will find more information about creating viral videos. Once the Higgsfield AI webpage loads, locate the button labeled Create Viral Videos Now and click on it. This will direct you to the video creation interface, which is essential for generating your viral content. You should now see options for different platforms. Click on TikTok to start creating content specifically tailored for that platform. If you want to create videos for other platforms, you can return to this step later. After selecting TikTok, you will have the option to create videos for YouTube Shorts. Click on the corresponding button to continue. The interface will then display options for creating engaging short videos. Next, choose the Instagram Reels option, which is another popular format for viral content. This selection will help you tailor your video style to fit Instagram's audience. After that, click on YouTube to explore options for creating longer form content. This is crucial for reaching a broader audience on the platform. Then you will see another option for YouTube Shorts. Click on it if you want to create short videos for YouTube again. This option allows for flexibility in your content strategy. Now, type in the type of viral video you want to create. This will help the AI generate content that aligns with your vision. After entering your desired video type, proceed to the next step. Click on P-Reset to choose from predefined settings that can enhance your video creation process. This will simplify the next steps and ensure you are on the right track. Following this, click on US Cases to explore various scenarios that your video can fit into. This will provide you with insights into how to position your content effectively. Next, click on Product Ads if your content is related to advertising a product. This selection will tailor the AI's suggestions to best fit promotional needs. Then, choose Viral Ads to focus on creating content designed to maximize shareability. This option is vital for reaching a wider audience quickly. After that, select UGG, which stands for User-Generated Content. This is an important aspect of viral videos as it encourages audience engagement. Now, click on Cinematic if you want your video to have a more polished and professional look. This choice can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your content. Next, select Animated if you wish to incorporate animation into your video. This style can be particularly effective for capturing attention. Then, click on Faceless if you prefer to create videos that do not feature a person on screen. This is a popular choice for certain types of content. After that, choose Educational if your video aims to inform or educate your audience. This format can provide value and encourage shares. Now click on Explainer to create videos that clarify concepts or ideas, making them easier for viewers to understand. Next, select Socials to explore options for social media focused content. This will help you tailor your videos for optimal engagement on various platforms. Then click on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels as needed to ensure your content fits the respective platforms. After that, click on YouTube again to revisit options for longer content. Make sure to select the format that best suits your goals. Now, choose a viral video preset that you wish to use. This will guide the AI in generating your video according to popular trends. Next, click on Visuals and Sound to customize the audio and visual elements of your video. These settings are crucial for enhancing viewer. Then click on Settings to review and adjust any final configurations before generating your video. This step is essential to ensure everything aligns with your vision. Finally, click on Generate to create your video. Depending on the complexity of your project, this process may take a moment. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation that your video is ready for review. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.